So many nations have fought wars. I don't know how many of you were here during the war. But you see that the rate our people recovered, the Red Cross started sending food after the war. But after just 3 months, they didn't see any person to give the food to, because our people had escaped from the refugee camps and followed the people who conquered them to wherever they were going to. But there's a problem there. We're great people, there's no doubt about it. Anywhere you go to in the world. A few months ago, I was in Virginia, Stanton, Virginia. It was in the commemoration of, it was symbol, recognition of the founding fathers of modern America. They recognized the Irish village, the German village, the European village, and then the West African frontier, where the slaves came from. And you know what they did? That one was named the Igbo village. And according to them, they said it was in recognition to the fact that the Igbos were special slaves. I also took the opportunity to go to the estate of Jefferson, the man, the author of the American statement that stated, the American Revolution that stated that all men were born equal and should be treated equal before God. And there in his memos, he said that the Igbos were special, they learned fast, they were hardworking, even though rebellious. He stated clearly there in the museum. In fact, if you had an Igbo slave and you sent him out, he would ask for one. That was how much he appreciated these people, that he even went beyond just having them as slaves. He also decided to engage in some other relationships. You understand what I mean? And he had descendants from those women. Those women were Igbo women. And that is why today, the living descendants of this man, Jefferson, are not whites, they are colored people.